Many students find maths exams scary, but what if you had a secret weapon? Enter the exam blueprint. Think of it like a treasure map, guiding you to exam success. It tells you what's important and helps you practice effectively. A blueprint is a document. Teachers make it. It tells you exactly what will be on your exam. No more guessing games. You'll know what topics are most important and what kind of questions to expect. With a blueprint, you become an exam detective. You can plan your study time wisely. You'll feel more confident and ready to tackle any question that comes your way. Let's break down the blueprint into its key parts. This is like learning the language of your exam. First, you have topic weightage. This tells you which topics are super important. They carry more marks. Spend more time studying these. Next, we have question types. Will there be multiple choice questions, word problems, or long-form solutions? Knowing this helps you practice the right skills. Finally, there's difficulty level. Some questions might be easy, while others are trickier. The blueprint gives you a heads up so you're prepared for anything. Why are blueprints so helpful? Because they help you study smarter, not harder. Imagine studying for hours only to find out the exam focuses on topics you barely reviewed. Disappointing, right? Blueprints prevent this. With a blueprint, you can create a super effective study plan. Focus on the most important topics first. Then, practice different question types. This targeted approach saves time and reduces exam stress. Remember, a blueprint is your roadmap to success. It makes your study sessions more efficient and helps you walk into the exam room feeling confident and prepared. Blueprint in action, from panic to prepared. Let's say your maths exam blueprint says algebra carries the most marks. Now you know where to focus most of your energy. The blueprint also tells you to expect lots of word problems. Time to practice translating those words into equations. Maybe the blueprint reveals that most questions will be easy or medium difficulty. This means you can relax a bit and focus on understanding the core concepts. See? The blueprint is like having a sneak peek at the exam. It takes the guesswork out of studying and helps you use your time wisely. Finding your blueprint. Unlock your exam potential. Now you might be wondering, where do I find this magical blueprint? Don't worry, it's usually easier than you think. Your teacher is your first point of contact. They might hand it out in class or post it online. Sometimes it's even printed on the syllabus. If you can't find it, don't be afraid to ask. Your teacher wants you to succeed. They'll be happy to provide the blueprint or point you in the right direction. Remember, the blueprint is your secret weapon to conquering your maths exam, so be proactive and get your hands on it. Time to shine. Maximizing your blueprint advantage. You've got your blueprint, now what? It's time to put it into action and maximize its benefits. Start by marking the weightage of each topic on your study material. Use highlighters, sticky notes, whatever works for you. This visual reminder keeps you focused on the important stuff. Next, create a study schedule based on the blueprint. Allocate more time to high-weightage topics and practice different question types. Don't forget to include regular breaks to avoid burnout. Remember, consistency is key. Stick to your schedule and you'll see amazing results. Exam success is a journey, not a destination. Finding and using a blueprint is a fantastic first step towards acing your math exam. But remember, it's a journey, not a destination. Don't just memorize formulas and concepts, try to understand them deeply. Ask your teacher questions, work with friends, practice makes perfect. The blueprint provides the map, but you are the driver. Stay focused, stay positive, and believe in your abilities. You've got this! And want more details, so subscribe!